In this video, I'll detail how to uninstall or delete app on Apple Watch Series 9. So, if you install applications on your Apple Watch Series 9 and you want to uninstall the application or remove the application to create space on your Apple Watch Series 9, then this video is going to walk you through. As you can see, I installed this application manually, which is the StretchCoin application on my Apple Watch Series 9. And here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall or delete any application from your Apple Watch Series 9 permanently. So if you don't know this video, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Mark you, to uninstall any application on your Apple Watch Series 9, what you just need to do is just drop your Apple Watch and then take your iPhone. On your iPhone, open the Watch app. Then once the Watch app opens, you want to scroll down to the bottom of the page and then locate the application you want to uninstall or delete from your Apple Watch Series 9. So let's say I want to uninstall the SweetCoin application from my Apple Watch Series 9. Just click on it. Then disable this toggle to disable Show App on Apple Watch. Then come back. You should see the application removed from Installed App on Apple Watch. Then here, you see the application is now available on the application you can install on your Apple Watch. You now drop your iPhone, take your Apple Watch again. On your Apple Watch, go ahead and type in your Apple Watch passcode like this. Press the 2 crown ones. Then scroll down. Then you discover that the application is no longer available. If you switch to List View, you discover that the application has been removed. You see that? So the SweetCoin application has been deleted. So that's how to uninstall or delete application on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.